I want to make videos, but I don't know what to say or do when I'm sitting in front of camera. This is one of the most common things I talk to my clients about. And this was also me before I started this channel. I want to start this video by saying you don't have to be a certain way on video. All you have to be is yourself. There is no wrong way to tell your story. Showing up on video takes guts. It also helps people to see who you are and find out if you're someone they want to work with. If you want to make videos but you're stuck with where to start, here are some tips to help you on your way. The first thing to keep in mind is don't make a video for the sake of making a video. Only make a video if you do have something to say. Content is the most important thing about a video. People watch videos to be entertained or informed. If it doesn't do one of these two, you're probably not going to get great retention and great viewership. The technical aspects come with practice. To start with, focus on getting great content out to your audience, and the rest will come the more that you do it. If you're stuck with what kind of content to put out, FAQs are a really great place to start because you can explain in your own words answers to questions that you know people already want to know about your business. Video is much more engaging and easier to digest than a big lump of text. So you can put your FAQ video at the top of that page on your website or segment it up into different videos to spread across your socials. That's a great way to just start getting relevant video content out there. The next thing you can do that I now find myself doing almost every day is write down ideas or thoughts you have throughout the day that you think you might want to share later. You start to accumulate a whole list of video ideas that you can sit down and record in one session. I find the more content I put out there, the more easily the ideas come. Another great way to get ideas for content is to survey your audience on social media. I quite often put out questions in stories asking people what their biggest problem is and then seeing if I can create a video around it to solve it. This way, you know your audience is going to want to watch your video as well because they've asked for that content. If you come across a product, service, or piece of information that you found really helpful, share it with your audience through video. This is going to help them to know, like, and trust you more and want to work with you more in the future because you've given them valuable information already. You already have great knowledge and experience that is going to help someone else. A great way to start to draw that out is to sit with your journal and ask yourself, what is it that I need to get out into the world today? This is something that does get easier the more often that you do it. But it's a great question to ask yourself to get your brain thinking, what is it that I want to share with others? If your content is coming from that authentic place within yourself, you really can't go wrong. Which brings me to the last point. Whenever you show up on video, I want you to ask yourself, am I being myself? When people are watching your videos, they can unconsciously tell if you're trying to be someone you're not. And you're going to attract more of the right people if you show up as yourself anyway. At the end of the day, you want to attract the clients who are right for you and weed out the ones who are not. So, the next time you show up on video, I want you to ask yourself, am I being my most authentic self? I hope these tips help you create more video content of your own, and I can't wait to see what you create. If you have any more video questions, please leave me a comment below so I can try and answer them for you, and hit the subscribe button for more video tips and techniques. And I will see you next time. Don't make a video for the sake of making a video. There goes my voice. Jeez. Always have water on hand when you're making videos. What am I trying to say? Oh, croaky voice over here.